Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Luna UI and give you a quick tour. First, make sure you've installed and imported Luna UI from your package manager. And then you can go to samples and you'll see we have Essentials, Gameful and Showcase here. First, import Essentials. After you import the samples, this panel will open up. You can find documentation, Discord server, and asset store links here. We have a quick start page where you can see all these steps yourself, and a troubleshoot page if you're having problems. Back to Unity. Let's first do the input settings. At input system packages here, you just click here and select Luna input system instead of the default, and that's that. We can then go to our showcase scene. In the scene, under the dependencies, we have our Luna UI manager, which does most of the work. We have the input settings, FX settings, and responsive settings, as well as the audio here. Then the UI render manager is for the UI render feature we have for live particles, 3D objects, and effects. The loading UI itself, and then the showcase only has the navigation graph configuration, and every other UI view spawns by the navigation graph once we start play mode. In play mode, you can see all the UI views spawn in here. And we have our debugger, where you can see our navigation graph live, and you can open this by going to Tools, Cupcake Games, Graph Runtime Debugger. So if I switch tabs here, you can see it here also, and it supports subtabs. So we're at Quest Daily right now, and if I switch, you'll see that. It also has independent views, like Mailbox here. And we have our models also, if I open it. So in the scene we have our UI views. Each of these UI view components, they have fade settings and transition animations. Which if we go to Heroes tab, you can see that all the hero cards animating. This is the USS class. And if you change the speed, and adding another one is very easy. You just click plus here and then select one of the presets. Right here, whichever USS class name you want. Select one of the triggers and give it the timing you want. I'll also show our responsive design. So as settings, we have auto detection or forcing mobile or desktop. And we have settings here. We can add as many breakpoints as we want. Currently we have small, medium, and large at these screen widths. So in game view, if we switch to something like this, you can see that we have the breakpoint medium, and if we let this refresh, it changes to large. And if we switch to simulator, it will change to mobile view and breakpoint small. And it automatically scales based on your settings here. If you need any more help or support, you can check out our documentation website or join our Discord to get help. You can find both of them under Tools, Cupcake Games on a panel with the links here.